Good boy. Good boy. That's right.
You're such a good boy, Frank.
That's right, Frank. Good boy.
Where's Frank? Frank! Oh, there he is.
Come on, Frank. Come on, sweetheart. Why don't you come? Come on. Frank. Come on. That's right. Good boy. That's right. Good boy. Oh, look at that. Hi. Good boy. Good boy. That's right.
You're such a good boy. Oh, God.
Look at all the weeds.
Frankie, hi. Okay, guys, my dad's gonna be swimming soon, and then Frank, he's a brave boy. He just might join us. I don't know if I said that already, because I couldn't hear underwater. Anyway, I'm gonna have fun swimming. Every time I need to talk, I have to come near this thing. Oh, you guys feeling brave? Remember last time Frank actually swam with the geese? The baby geese. He actually swam over there. It's cool. This is like you're sleeping on water. But it's true. I wish I could do that. Guys, it's right now.
Such a beautiful day, honey.
I hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Right. Hey guys, it's a rainy day out, and before we stop, we're gonna garden with Dad some tomatoes. And here we have some tomatoes. Are you wondering why we have this? This are some dead fish to bury in the garden to help our garden grow.
Like a sort of fertilizer.
Yes. Dad, how do you plant tomatoes?
Well, you take a plant like this, and the important thing is you trim the branches off the plant with your little scissors or knife. And this, then you can bury the plant very deep and it'll grow a lot better.
That's great.
Can I see it?
Sure.
Mountain best.
Mountain best.
Amazing how dry this dirt is after all this rain that we just had.
Frankie, come here, honey. Frank, come.
I don't know why that's so dry.
Okay, can you
We
stay?
didn't get much rain.
But
So
you have
how do you actually like put it in the dirt?
I'm gonna show you. I'm digging the hole.
Okay. I thought we were gonna actually like plant seeds.
No, seeds are sprouted a long time ago.
Okay.
There's some other bad plants growing in here.
Ooh. Just buried some dead minnows in there. Hey, look, a minnow. Okay. Next, put the plants in. Okay. 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 Now, can I dig the hole next?
Okay, big one right here.
Okay.
get on your knees, honey.
You gotta dig deeper, Casey, much deeper.
So we only have tomatoes
No, there's peppers in that pot.
and peppers?
No, there's peppers right there.
Oh, I see that we have peppers. Banana peppers.
Hi, Wilbur.
And these are sunfish. We're going to use these fish for fertilizer.
Is this good?
No, make a little deeper, right in the middle, dig deeper.
Get on your knees. It's easier.
Okay, is this good now?
Dig deeper, right in the middle. Okay.
Is this good now?
Yep.
Okay. Can I got some? Okay.
Just take like 5 more. Give it a handful. There you go.
You.
That's a little bit on it. Stand this a little bit.
Yeah.
Whenever you see a weed like that, like in front of you there, pull them out.
Guys, I'm making the official Granny glasses. Granny can't see, but she can hear. Grandpa can't hear, but he can see. The official Granny glasses on no. I hear you. And then if you only have 5 days, which are 5 lives. And if you don't get out after those 5 lives, you're stuck in Granny's house forever. And then Grandpa doesn't actually come till chapter 2 of Granny.
Is that for real?
Yeah.
Or just making that up?
I'm not making it up. We saw it on YouTube videos.
Okay. Okay.
Hey guys, I am about to end the night. Before I do that, at 9 o'clock we're gonna have our premiere of the mowing grass and cherry nuggets. Yep, at 9 o'clock.
Philippine time, it's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
May 23rd. Alright, go ahead and go lay down now.
Okay.